Hello guys, welcome to TelePrime classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about accounting terminology or accounting terms. So in simple word, the accounting terminology is known. Accounting terminology is the vocabulary of accounts in which various accounting words came. Okay, so let's see what are those. The first is here proprietor or owner, you can say. The proprietor is the person who invests money into a business and bear the risk of the business is called a proprietor or the owner. Then the second term is come capital. Capital is basically that amount or asset which is invested in business by the proprietor. It's basically a liability for the business. After that terms come here assets. Asset is a piece of property or equipment purchased exclusively or primarily for business use. If you have your own right on anything, that is called an asset. Then comes here liability. Liability is basically a debt or obligation that a company must need to pay. Suppose you have taken a loan from a bank, so you have to pay that loan back. So that is called a liability. Then comes a debtor or you can say customer, a person or organization to whom you sell the products. And then comes creditor, a person or organization or a company from whom we purchase the products or we have to pay the amount for that. We can say our vendors. These are the few accounting terms and there are many. So in this video guys, we have discussed about the accounting terminology. Thank you.